France has some of the best bakeries in the world. But that first time you walk in as a tourist, it can feel stressful. People are speaking fast French, there's a line behind you, and you're not really sure what to do next. So you hesitate, you smile, you're trying to figure it out. And now everybody's waiting. That's when most people panic. Not because of the French, but because they don't know the process. So in this video, I'll show you a simple 6-step system to walk in, order confidently, and walk out like you've done this 100 times. Let's start with step 1. Gate 1. Most people mess this up. The wrong way is to say un croissant, feel that, no bonjour, and suddenly it's cold. Here's the right way. Bonjour, un croissant s'il vous plaît. Same words, different energy. That one word, bonjour, is your entry ticket. No bonjour, no warmth. Now you're in, but this is where most people start sounding like tourists. Un croissant, please? Nothing technically wrong, but it screams tourist. In a shop like a bakery or a butcher's, a really useful phrase is vous mettez. Vous mettez. It's basically the French equivalent of let me get. For example, vous mettez un croissant s'il vous plaît? Or, vous mettez une baguette? Vous mettez un pain au chocolat? Calm, direct. You're not asking, you're stating. Confidence beats textbook correctness. And a quick pro tip here, if you want a high-quality baguette, don't say baguette. Say une tradition, s'il vous plaît. That's what locals order. You can also say je vais prendre, which is more standard. It's similar to saying I'll have in English, while vous mettez sounds more natural in shops. So how would you say in French, I'll have a croissant? Je vais prendre un croissant. And how would you say, I'll have a baguette? Je vais prendre une baguette. And I'll have a traditional baguette. Je vais prendre une tradition. Good. So you have two options here. Vous mettez, more natural. Je vais prendre, more standard. And remember, in France, a sentence without s'il vous plaît is like a car without wheels. It won't go anywhere. Now you don't sound like a visitor, you sound familiar. But here's where it gets tricky. You don't just say what you want, you have to say how many. This is where most people freeze. Vous mettez croissant? You didn't decide the number, and now the pressure hits. Before you say anything, lock the number in your head. Vous mettez un croissant, 2 traditions, 3 baguettes, 1. This one is a nasal sound. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. In a French bakery, speed matters. Decide, then speak. Now comes the part you can control, because now they start asking questions. This is where everything changes. Now, in most traditional bakeries, you won't hear this, but in modern places with seating, you will. Bonjour, vous mettez 2 croissants? Sur place ou à emporter? Wait, what? This is where most people shut down. Sur place, à emporter. It means for here or to go. You don't need full sentences, you just need to recognize the moment and respond fast. And sometimes they'll ask, avec ceci, anything else? If that's it, ça sera tout. If not, say, vous mettez aussi, and say what you want. And here's a panic shield, just in case something unexpected happens. If you didn't understand, say this. Désolé, je ne comprends pas. This line saves you. It buys you time and shows effort. You don't control the question, only your response. Now, the bakery is easy, but a restaurant, that's where the real test begins. Faster, louder, no second chances. If you want to handle that moment without freezing, I made a video on ordering in a restaurant. Link is right here. Now, you've survived the hardest part, but the next part moves even faster, the payment. Now everything speeds up. Ça fait 4,50 €. Did you catch that? Because most people don't. It just means that will be €4.50. But here's the good news. You don't need to understand everything. Just say how you're going to pay. Par carte, by card. En espèces, in cash. And voila, when you hand it over. This part is not about French. It's about staying calm while everything moves fast. Now you're almost done, but how you leave still matters, because this is what they remember. You made it through. Grab the bag, leave silently. Nothing bad happened, but nothing felt good either. Merci, bonne journée. 2 words, big difference. This is how you leave the interaction complete. Start polite and memorable. Do you usually say thank you when you travel or rush out? Be honest, tell me in the comments. So look at the full flow. Bonjour, order, number, question, pay, bonne journée. It's not random, it's a system. And once you see it, you stop panicking. But watching this is the easy part. In real life, it's faster. There's pressure. You don't think, you react. When you're actually in a French bakery, line behind you, cashier waiting, your mind goes blank. You won't remember this video. That's exactly why I created the French Bakery Survival Card. It has the exact sentences from this video, so you can just glance at your phone and speak with confidence. But I also added something really useful. 12 of the most delicious French pastries you'll definitely want to try, with pictures, the exact names, and audio, so you can hear the pronunciation before you order. So you don't have to guess what a Paris-Brest or a millefeuille is. You see it, you hear it, you say it. It's free, link below. Download it before your first bakery in France. You'll actually use it and walk in like you've done this before.